Today, we're diving into the art of precision editing with a Capcut PC tutorial, the ultimate guide to trimming your videos. First things first, let's get your video into Capcut. Click the Import button located in the top left corner. A File Explorer window will pop up. Find the video you want to edit, select it, and then click Open. Your video will then be imported into the media panel. You'll see a thumbnail of the video clip there. Now, drag and drop the video clip from the media panel down into the timeline, which is the area at the bottom of your screen. This is where the real magic happens. Let's start trimming. The most common method is using the playhead. This vertical red line. Position the playhead at the exact point where you'd like your video to begin, perhaps at the top of a clip. You can drag it to the point you need. Now, hover your mouse over the left edge of the video clip in the timeline. Your cursor should change into a double-sided arrow. Click and drag the left side toward the right. This will remove any footage from the beginning of your clip. To make more precise cuts, use the zoom icons above the timeline to get a closer view. Release the mouse button when you reach your perfect starting point. Now, let's trim the end again. Position the playhead at the end point, or the exact moment you would like your video to end. Just like before, hover over the right edge of the video clip. The cursor will change again to that double-sided arrow. Click and drag the right edge toward the left. This will remove the end footage. You can use the zoom feature again here when you're satisfied with the end point. Release the mouse button. Congratulations! You've successfully trimmed your video in Capcut PC. Now, you can repeat these steps to refine your video further and create engaging content. Remember to experiment and have fun with it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or to be creative.